Calvin Mackey, CEO of STEM NOLA, and welcome to Rocket Day. Parents, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you, giving them exposure and inspiration to the possibilities of the 21st century. We are happy to partner today with Boeing, who has over 100 volunteers out here, so your kids can touch, feel, and work beside real rocket scientists.
Rocket Day is about building the next generation of rocket scientists, and that's what all these children here are. It's for that next generation. When you do STEM, you have a place to go work right in your hometown.
When we have more kids that are more in touch with the science, technology, engineering, and math disciplines, they can build more tech and startup companies homegrown in Louisiana. And therefore, we have a circular economy that works for everybody in Louisiana.
Oh, it's been so great because my son absolutely loves space. Everything about astronauts going into space. Pluto is his favorite planet.
I need to cut twice because that web tape won't cut it this little.
That was a good one, right?
Nice. 3, 2, 1!
If you do not know, in New